Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Thursday March the 5th 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. Let me see, I see here 1 2 3 4 4 5, so let's begin with the 5. We have a 5 in this column, a 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 5 is here and there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So in the second column, the only two places for 5 is here and there. But I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 is here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the middle column, the only three places for a 5 is here, here, and there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. I see here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 is here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. I see one of the missing number is a 2. Here we have a 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. One box remains for the 2, should be this one. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in this column, the only two places for a 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for a 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So in the second column, the only two places for a 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2. I cannot continue with the 2. I see. Need to wait. Alright. Then we go to the digit 8. 8 in the first row. 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for an 8 is here and there. But I see here already an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in the middle row, we have a 7 here in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above, we have a 7 over there. So in the row below the middle row, the only 3 places for a 7 is here, here, or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. I see there 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. Yeah. Alright, and then we go to the 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see there 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 1, should be this one. 1 in this, 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for our 1 is here and there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for 1 is here and there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then, yeah, the 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for a 2 is here and there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for a 2 is here and there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then the 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 8, should be this one. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there. But I see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for an 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 1 box left for this big square for the number 6. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 4, should be this one. 2 boxes left for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for a 4 is here and there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for a 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then the 3, 1 box left in this row for the number 9. Then 3 boxes left in this column. The missing numbers are 3, 4, and 6. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. The 3 and the 6, 3 and a 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers of this big square is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 4, should be this one. 1 box left in this column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 3. Yes. 1 missing number in this row for the number 9. Then 1 box left for this big square for the number 3. 2 boxes left for the last column for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left for this big square for the number 6 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here. The 6 goes there. 1 box left for this column for the number 6. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 box left for this row for the number 9. 1 box left for this big square for the number 3. 1 box left for this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 4. No, we have a 4. 9 and 6. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there, and the final number of this big square for the number 6. Finished in 40 minutes. Alright, people, if you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow for a new edition. Bye bye.